So in this video we will be talking about Mobikwik. So in Mobikwik you have to do is basically the OTP transaction you have to add, and OTP order status, then generate an OTP. Also, maybe according to your requirement, if you have requirement for QR code also, you can do that. So basically we'll check how it works. So this is the API file that we will get it from Mobikwik, and the procedure I will tell you now. In next video I will tell you about the codes. Basically, so this is the test environment, so you have to start with test, then live environment will be when you are doing the final integration. So they will give you two kind of keys, MIDs. So this is one MID and this is another MID. This is the for sub merchant, and this is the main merchant, and another, these are the keys you have to use, secret keys. Then for live environment you have to use this link with extension of API, and this is for test environment. You have to check secret key to be used for marketplace is this, and in this environment is this, and this is your MID for testing only. For integration in live environment you have to do something different. Definition marketplace and sub merchant, it is like if you go to more mega store, basically that is like they are using Mobikwik. So in marketplace, basically if you, the merchant has different kind of means different posts, like one, not one but more than one POS system, so that is like marketplace. And sub merchant is basically the different POS systems are sub merchant, and marketplace is like one merchant but he has different sub merchants. That's it. Marketplace is the complete hierarchy is marketplace. So list of APIs they have is debit, check status and refund. So this is basically Mobikwik marketplace API for OTP only. So let's see for debit. For debit you have to use is, this is the extension of the testing URL. After this, test.mobikwik.com wallet APIs, then marketplace debit wallet. With the request you have to send is the same way in Paytm or other place we have done it in other wallets. So this is the request you have to send in JSON format from your app side. From app, then checksum should be like this. It's not like in Paytm what we did is basically the checksum is generated in our server side with PHP codes and integrations, but here we have to do the checksum here only in app, then sending the request. After that, this is the response you will get. Status success, amount debited 10 rupee. Yeah, so that's it. So also we'll complete all these things in one single hierarchy of videos, so stay tuned so that you can come to know all these things, how integration happens. It will be easier for you obviously to do it. So first, check status. Also previously we did about debit, now for checking status, this is the extension. After that same test link URL you have to use this, after base URL you have to use this check status extension. And application JSON, it should be in JSON the request you are sending. This is the request only, simple request with order ID and SMID, and one checksum you have to generate, which is just like this. This is the checksum, this should be the checksum exactly, and order ID is yours, SMID is yours, submerchant ID, and response you will get is success with an order ID and how much deducted. And another one is for refund. If you want you can integrate, I didn't integrate it, but it's similar as the debit. So this is the checksum string, then let's see the request. Yeah, this is the request, order ID, MID, and that's it. And the checksum you have to generate and send it, and this is basically your this thing, the checksum. This is the checksum string you have to use. Means it's not like just you have to pass the values, but you have to pass as key and value pairs. keys are amount, values are 0.01. Order ID is key.